show you how I'd clean it up. Okay, get you the Ryobi is the one I use, so get the Ryobi or another one that'll gear down. You want it to have a real easy release there on the clutch. You've got to have that set all the way down. Now this could be dangerous if you don't set it down. You don't want it set way up high so it won't stop. You want it set on the lowest position, or maybe one click up, that's all. Alright, so you want to spin that screwdriver right there, the screwdriver head. And you might do it with a shorter screwdriver. So take your rag and wrap your rag around the screwdriver handle and barely give it a little bit of a turn. So now you can kind of see what's going to happen. Alright, so just start cleaning those wheels. Now clean those, and on this Honda it's got the little cup area in here that's hard to get to a little bit, so you can clean it there. Now again it'll stop because it's got the clutch, so you can do that. But what I really wanted to show you was, here's how you clean the spokes. Alright, you might have to rewrap your rag. Let's see. Let me rewrap that. Alright. Get those spots up in there. Just be careful. Be a good idea to wear gloves. Now, just take, you're at your own risk when you're doing this now. You got to be able to handle anyone with some experience with a drill. This should not be dangerous at all. So don't come out here the first time and you've never used a drill before and start doing this kind of a thing. So this is just for experienced mechanics that know how to handle a drill, know how to handle the trigger on the drill. But you can see that how clean it gets. Okay, so then you can just wash it off with your water hose. Just give it some of that. And that's how easy it is. Okay, YouTubers, like and subscribe and pass the word on. Love to get a lot of views off of this one. Thank you.